Malia and Sasha Obama had their promise of a first dog fulfilled when their father won the presidency, as Sonny and Beau Obama soon took up residence in the White House after Barack Obama was elected. Not the first in this perfect partnership between commanders-in-chief and their furry friends. Our first president, George Washington, had lots of dogs, including a greyhound named Cornwallis. And if you think politics is filled with partisanship today, just take a listen to what FDR had to endure while defending his dog Fala from Republican critics.
I don't resent attacks, and my family don't resent attacks. But Fala does resent it.
Fala, a Scotty dog, was the only presidential pet ever to be featured in a statue at a president's memorial. And Scotties have been popular with plenty of other first families. Laura Bush was gifted one for her birthday. She called her Ms. Beasley. The Bushes also owned a longhorn cow named Ophelia. Richard Nixon referenced his dog in a speech when forced to defend his reputation after being accused of accepting illegal gifts. He said there was one gift he would not return, the family dog, Checkers. And from then on, that speech was forever referred to as the Checkers speech.
And you know, the kids, like all kids, love the dog. And I just want to say this right now, that regardless of what they say about it, we're going to keep him.
The Kennedy kids turned the White House into a petting zoo with pets including ducklings, hamsters, dogs, and a rabbit. They received a Connemara pony from the President of Ireland called Leprechaun. Not to be outdone, Ronald Reagan had many dogs along with several horses and 2 cats. Speaking of cats, the Clintons were the owners of one of the world's most famous cats, Socks, who occupied the White House during their 2 terms in the White House. Socks did not get along with the later arrival of Buddy the dog, and so the pair occupied separate living quarters. Donald Trump did not bring any pets into the White House, making him the first president since William McKinley to be without a 4-legged friend.